Basil Automotive. Switching it up a little on this one. It's actually my personal 1970 Caddy Coupe DeVille. Going up for sale. Owned this thing about 2.5 years. One of my favorite cars I've ever owned. Tons of work done to this car. Inside glow lights in the bottom of the seats. So it has a nice nighttime effect. Got a 12-inch sub in the back. Amplifier. I think it's got about 2,000 watts in it. Upgraded speakers. Sound system is perfect. Car is for the most part flawless. Worst part of the car is a little chip in the hood right there. Other than that, good times over the summer. Clean on the inside.
1970 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. Price, $32,000. Location, Henderson, Nevada. This classic 1970 Cadillac Coupe DeVille is in excellent condition, combining vintage luxury with modern upgrades. It runs and drives flawlessly, ready for cruising in comfort and style. Upgrades and features. White heavy checkmark interior LED lighting adds a sleek, modern touch. White heavy checkmark, new sound system, over $2,500 invested. Includes a high-quality amplifier and a 12-inch subwoofer for deep, rich sound. Recent mechanical work, past year. Heavy checkmark, new fuel pump. Heavy checkmark, electronic ignition. Heavy checkmark, new alternator and battery. Heavy checkmark, brakes and rotors replaced. Heavy checkmark, new ignition coil, and more. Automobile, clean title, no significant damage, paid off. (1958) Chevrolet Impala. Price, $35,000. Location, Las Cruces, New Mexico. This 1958 Chevrolet Impala is a true classic, featuring a 348 cubic inch, 5.7 liter V8 engine and a dealer-installed air conditioning system. The car is in running condition and has been well maintained. Details: heavy checkmark, automatic transmission. Heavy checkmark, exterior color, gold. Heavy checkmark, clean title, no significant damage, paid off. Heavy checkmark, third owner. If the post is up, the car is still available. Serious inquiries only. Message me with any questions. 2004 Ford Mustang Premium Convertible 2D. Money bag, $6,500. Round pushpin, Plainview, New York. Information: mileage, 69,000 miles. Transmission, automatic. Exterior color, yellow. Interior color, black. Fuel type, petrol. Ownership, 3+ owners. Title, clean title, paid off, clear history. Condition, no significant damage or accidents. For sale is a classic 2004 Mustang convertible in great condition with low mileage. No accidents, clean title. Serious buyers only. Open a trade. 1973 Oldsmobile 98 Coupe. Money bag, $15,500. Round pushpin, Watertown, Connecticut. Full information. This 1973 Oldsmobile 98 two-door coupe is an American classic in pristine condition, with only 83,000 original miles. Exterior color, black. Interior color, black. Transmission, automatic. Fuel type, petrol. Engine, V8 455 CI, running smoothly. Condition, very good, glossy black paint, rust-free, no rot. AC, works and blows cold. Exhaust, quiet and smooth. No rot or rust underneath. Frame is perfect, meticulously maintained and stored in a dry environment. This time capsule is perfect for collectors and classic car enthusiasts. Money bag price, $15,500, negotiable. Serious inquiries only, no trades. Contact Jim for more info or to schedule a viewing. 1968 Dodge Coronet 440. Money bag, $35,000. Round pushpin, Virginia Beach, Virginia. Full information. This 1968 Dodge Coronet 440 is a classic muscle car in great condition, owned for over 11 years by the current seller. While it's not a real B, it has had a B conversion with a steel power bulge hood, big block K frame, and backward stripe. Mileage, 123,456 miles. Transmission, automatic. Exterior color, turquoise. Condition, clear history. No significant damage or problems. Owner's description. The car is mechanically sound, with everything touched except for paint and bodywork. It's been built as a reliable, all-weather driver rather than a trophy chaser. If you're looking for a reliable, classic muscle car to drive and enjoy, this is the one. Over 300 pictures available, with a detailed description of modifications since purchase. Money bag price, $35,000. Serious buyers only. Contact Eric for more details or photos. 2005 Dodge Magnum R/T Sport Wagon 4D. Money bag, $7,500. Round pushpin, Montross, Virginia. Full information. For sale, 2005 Dodge Magnum R/T. A powerful muscle wagon featuring the legendary 5.7 L Hemi V8. Offering impressive performance with a spacious interior. This car has been well maintained with regular oil changes and is in good condition. Mileage, 113,000 miles. Transmission, automatic. Drivetrain, RWD. Exterior color, black. Interior color, black leather. Fuel economy, 15 mpg city/23 mpg highway/18 mpg combined. Title clean. Features and condition. White heavy checkmark exterior. No major dents or scratches. White heavy checkmark interior. Leather. Well kept with no major rips or stains. White heavy checkmark tires. Newish, plenty of tread left. White heavy checkmark wheels. Stock alloy wheels. White heavy checkmark extras. Power seats. Premium sound system. Cruise control. Keyless entry. And more. Money bag price, $7,500. If you're looking for a fun, powerful, and practical vehicle with classic Mopar performance, this Magnum R/T is a great choice.